Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm working my way through the yard right there. I still have 3 or 4 more rows of cars. Take a look at all they have right here. Everything you could ever imagine, and I am fortunate enough to be able to come in here, wander around, start these cars, see what they like, and tell you all about them. I got the best job in the world. I say that when it's, not 15 degrees out here and I have stuff coming out of my nose and my toes are frozen and I'm stumbling over these huge rocks. But it is a beautiful day today and I'm finding all kinds of amazing cars. So let's find one and then see if we can do another one of those comparison videos, kind of like Who'd You Rather? Well, I just had to show her because it's a different color for a Mercedes S-Class. It's not that brilliant silver. It's like almost a smoke silver. And yeah, we have suspension problems, but these cars have a terrible rep, but I love them. I really do. This is a 2005 Mercedes S500. So since it's the later S500, you don't get all of the rust at the bottom of the doors because they changed the way that they protected the paint back in the day. This one has a little bit of a crunch right there. This is the 4MATIC. Oh, okay. Well, that's a good sign. Look how much room you get back here. Look at the seats. Look at how much room. Oh, well, we've had some critters in here. Some little kids' feet, looks like, and little raccoons. We got little kid, raccoon. And there's a smell. There's a weird smell, and we have some coils right there. That's not a good sign. Well, maybe she has some issues. This is something that I would certainly be interested in because I love this model. I've owned several of them. S430, S500, S55 AMG. I just want to be careful in case the critter is still in here somewhere. I don't know. Let's just kind of see what's wrong with the engine. Here we go. Well, is this going to stay open? Please stay open. Someone's been up under here. Okay. This I used to call your coffin box, but it kind of goes like that. So we'll leave that right there. This is the air suspension. That's what's leaking. That's why she's sitting down on all fours. I don't think this is a dipstick. Yep. That's even off. It's not even attached. Looks like they've replaced the alternator. Here's your coils. That side seems to be okay. What about over here? Can we see under here to see if there are any coils? Hold on, let me see if I can do this. Ugh. Yeah, we don't have any. I don't think there is any under there. Do you see them? I don't think so. Well, this could be a big problem. Okay, let's put this right here. Let's see if we can move this. Here we go. Let go. That's it. And this just pops up. I'm sorry about the camera work. I don't want to get gross and dirty. There it is. So all of the coils on this side have been removed. That's what I was worried about. And that's a huge mess. Wow. Okay, well, I'm glad I found that out because that's a huge game changer. So when they remove the coils, they're trying to figure out something else that's going on. So it's a major deal. We're going to put that all back where it was. We're going to put this back where it was. Well, let's just put it over here where it belongs. Just like this. Okay. Yeah, I can't even try to start it. I don't want to give it power. She may have some engine problems in addition to her suspension problems. But what a cool color this was. I do want to look at the color code and see. Gigantic back seat area. And this color, it's beautiful. It's a smoke silver. It is nice. And it's in really great shape. Well, sugar daddy, this is unfortunate. This is C723. That's your paint code right there. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. There's a weird vomity smell in here too. I do not like that. That is bizarre. So the loss type, oh, it's mechanical. So there you go. That tells you everything you need to know. So I'm sorry we can't try to start her. She's probably not on my list because I don't want to put in another engine. It is mechanical. I think it's other than the suspension. Yeah, that's why your coils are in the back seat. So we just got to move on. Well, do you have a high school student that wants a convertible? Absolutely, this would be it. Absolutely. This is a Toyota Solara from 2006. So you have the Toyota reliability, you have the convertible. So the top goes up and down, and you have a very easy fix. You need a fender and a light and maybe a bumper, and I think you'd be good to go. Well, maybe even a tire if it's been sitting like that for a long, long time. But these are great cars. I had a general manager of a television station who made tons of money. He drove one of these, and he loved it. He wasn't pretentious. He could have driven a new Lexus or a new Mercedes. Nope, he drove a car just like this. I think his was red. The convertible top is okay. I don't see, maybe there is somewhere over there, but we'll go check it out. I think we have power, so I want to get in here and start it real quick and see what she sounds like and see if Carly did a good job of maintaining her car. Here we go. Okay. Absolutely. This car has 270,000 miles, and it kind of looks it because of the dash. That's bad. I'm sorry about that little car. Carly, you should have put some Armor All on it. Absolutely. But the engine, other than the squeak, the belt squeak when it first started, sounds good. Yeah, this is horrible. That is really bad. But, okay, so we have a check engine light on. We have maintenance required. The brakes seem to almost go to the floor. Okay, so that's drive. That's reverse. That works. Okay, what radio station did she listen to? Well, that's not even one, so the battery may have been changed. Yeah, these are all 107.9. Okay, well, there we go. What about this? AC is on. You can hear the, oh, you can hear it try to engage the compressor. I'm smelling some smoke, unfortunately, so let's just very quickly look under here. I don't know if that's from this car or something that's driven by. Here we go. Oh, Carly, you have a dirty engine. Oh my. Look how gross that is. That's never been cleaned. Ever. You got a gigantic battery. But the engine sounds okay. It's just really, really dirty. So I don't know if you've changed the timing belt. I don't see another sticker. I see 89999. I don't know what that is. But I certainly don't see a timing belt. So we'd have to wonder about that. There is a little bit of a ding right here. On this side, this is a cool paint. It's got some scuffs on it. Your window tinting is letting up, but the top itself, other than right here where they always show wear and tear, this is nice. You could fix this up. Oh, you, Boomer Sooner. Okay, Carly went to the University of Oklahoma. She was proud of herself and she was proud of her car. And it runs good for 270,000 miles. It's just dirty And that dash, how much fun would it be to replace the dash on those? I don't know if that's a common problem for the Solara. If it is, leave a comment and let me know. But for a little high school girl, absolutely this would be a fun little car. Or if you happen to be the general manager of a television station. A very cool guy. He was one of my favorites of all time. He really was. Okay, yeah, something was getting kind of hot too. I don't like that smell. But she ran good. This is just unfortunate. That's really bad. Okay, let's move on, see if we can find something else. If Kaylee's car didn't do it, or maybe you have a male high school student or college student who wants something nice and non-damaged, how about a Dodge Challenger? This is hail. It's not major, and it would give him something to do, or her, you know, something to do when they're not studying. Yeah, just pull out all the little dings. They're not a million of them, but there are quite a few up here. Ding, 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 ding. There's one here and here. And that was my Coke that just flew off of the hood of a car. And there's a couple back here. You already got your Go Fast spoiler on the back. This is a cool purpley gray, kind of a generic looking car. Other than hail damage, no, there's nothing else. There's nothing else wrong with it. Well, maybe some paint issues on this. I would paint this to match. That would make a big difference. You do have tread on your tires. A little bit of tread. What is this, Firestone? Yeah, Firestones. And right here we have, what is this one? Firestone. It's a good sign. We got some issues right here. That's gonna rub. Maybe they hit a curb with their lower lip. So that will need some additional tweaking as well. But all in all, this would be a great car for somebody. Absolutely. You got your Sirius XM edition right there. We have power, standard black material. Give it the old sniff test. Doesn't smell bad. Okay, we got an upgraded, well, we got a Pioneer. I guess that's better than what was in there before. Press brake button and push button to start. I don't see a push button to start. Is that? I think I still have to use the key. Here we go. Ignition mode. Ooh. Okay. It sounds better now. Radio is on. There's no service. Let's see if we can figure out what they listen to. Source. Radio. Oh. 1045. Okay. That's all right. That's a good little station. How many miles do we have on this thing right here? Distance to empty 271. System warnings, personal settings, radio on. How do I get to my display units? Trip. Oh, come on. Vehicle information. Time. Vehicle speed. I don't want that. System warnings. Let's go to system warnings. I don't know how this thing works. Distance. That's your trip odometer. Elapsed time. Display units. US. Average MPG. Got over half a tank of gas. Okay. US. System warnings. Door open. That's all? Nice. That is good to know. Radio on. Is it because I have the door open? Give me some mileage. Here we go. 145,000 miles. Okay, that's not terrible. This works. This works. This is not bad. I mean, it's rent-a-car ready, you know, but it's not bad at all. You can clean this up. This would be a great car for somebody. Absolutely. Let's take a look and see what's under the hood and in the trunk. Which way do you want to go first? We're going to go to the left. We're going to let the battery charge up a little bit. See what's going on here. That's huge. That is a huge trunk. Okay, well, that's all right. Very inexpensive battery charger right there. We'll put that back where it was. Okay, nice. The only thing, and I've driven these, I don't like this, it's huge, and you get a big blind spot, is what I'm gonna say. Yeah, so I'm guessing just a regular old V6 under here. Here we go. Yeah, 3.6 liter VVT. But it's running fine. Coolant is orange, that is good. Engine seems really steady. You do get kind of a wobbly crankshaft right there. That is a little bit of a wobble to it. I don't know if that's a problem with these cars. But all in all, for a generic Challenger, yeah, absolutely. This would be a great car for somebody looking to surprise their high school or college son or daughter, or some YouTuber who likes to buy cars and drive them and then, you know, sell them or keep them. This is way out of my wheelhouse, way out of it. But you know what? I'm still interested in it. It's nice. I mean, okay, it does smell a little smoky, but other than that, oh, my vest is coming off. What is this? Uh-oh. Okay. Anyhow, I kind of like this car. It does. It seems to run and drive fine. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't see. Well, I've forgotten my tripod, so I'm having to do all my camera work with my hand, and I just forget that the camera's right over there when I have it this way. Okay. I like the car. I really do. This is something I'm going to be interested in, so we'll write down the number. There is an oil change sticker. They did their own oil changes. I like to see that. 145, 866 is the next one. Okay, that's all right. Wow. Okay, so tell me what you think about these three cars. I'm sorry that Mercedes didn't work out. I would have loved to try to start it, but you're missing coils on half the engine, which could be a huge deal. That is so risky. Okay, we're going to have to see what the price is on that. We're going to see what the price is on this as well, because I like this. This would be a fun little car. Other than that, let me know what you think about these three and if they are something you might be interested in. That Solara with the dash, ugh, that would be a pain in the rear end to fix that. But this is something you could just drive off. And I'd live with the hail dents. I would. It's not major, and they're not that obvious. And I get Bluetooth. How about that? Hands-free calling. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your attendance. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon in another video.